Oh! What did I just tell you? Did I not say hold on and you run it before I get to even push the start button?
High five. But we
Damn.
so it would actually go in there. Right?
Yeah,
That was
All right, now.
he's an underneath fit sock.
Oh,
This
Jesus.
is how we figure it out, because neither of us started the game.
Yep, there he is. Come on out.
Here we go.
Come on. There you go.
Feel it? I don't know.
Drive him over here and put him in the garage.
So,
Bring him up here. Bring him up here.
She no,
Put him in the garage.
You mean like a thing? So
A ramp.
what you
It's
do
level.
is you shoot your ball.
You can get him
and
in
it has
there.
to
No,
hit this
unless
Come
you
on.
No.
Just
That's
do
why
it.
it makes
But
it
who's
knock
ever
over.
closer to the rail?
Watch this.
Like if you can hit it,
Watch
you're
this.
like
Yeah,
man right
there you
here.
go.
It's
There you
called
go.
lagging first.
No.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Lagging
That
for
way?
break.
Put him in. Drive him right in there.
No. You just shoot the ball, you hit it off this rail, and you try to. You
Back him up.
this rail.
Bring him up here, right here. You can do it.
You hit this rail, and whoever lands closer
Hey,
to
Google.
this rail.
Okay,
But see,
What is
it's
lagging
the
for
front
break?
tires again. They're going this way.
I see it. But you can't cheat.
No, it's not cheating.
Okay,
But the front tires.
give him a little tweak with your right. Wrong garage. Bring him back.
Right, so you lag first shot.
I didn't touch the rail.
Probably gonna have to call a tow truck.
No.
It's a layup. This is what it means. To lag first.
Yep, call a tow truck.
With the ball,
We're gonna call a tow truck. That's right. Yep. Did he come out?
That's how they call the break. Like two people who come up to the table.